everyone, and welcome to The Well-Educated Artist. I'm Miranda, and today we are going to be doing a bloom swipe. The colors that we have today are mostly from Color Art Primary Elements. Those include dark emerald, cinnamon brown, sunburst, which is yellow, the beautiful color of snapdragon, which is a pretty iridescent purpley blue, and there is also Enchanted Forest, the green here. Those are all primary elements. The others are from different places. This particular one here is actually from Arteza. They have one called Shocking Lime. There's a little bit of regular Liquitex lime as well. That's part of their Galaxy collection, actually, if you haven't heard of that color. And this one is Peacock Pearl from DecoArt. So, and also from DecoArt, 24 karat gold. If you're a pour painter, that's a staple. I don't have any primary element sculpt, but I am using DecoArt 24 karat gold. The other couple of colors we're going to be using in this one, kind of stay kind of muted, is a color actually from Folk Art, which is Aqua Flash. It is a flip-flop or two-tone paint. And the other one is PBO's Blue Black Iridescent. It's just such a really cool color. It really works with the ones we have right here. It's a very nice kind of gray-blue color. Okay, all of these pigments and paints are mixed with Behr 8300, which has kind of gotten to be the go-to. It's a deep base found at Home Depot, and also, since I have it handy right here, is Jo Sonja Gloss Varnish. They are mixed with that. Okay. Just a little bit of pigment or paint, very little, to the gloss varnish and the base, the 8300. My pillow paint today is actually just some house paint I had hanging around, but it is semi-gloss, it's not satin. And it's just right here, and it is mixed with Floetrol. Got a little bit of blue in there, that's lovely. There we go. And that's all it is Floetrol and paint, house paint, and you can just use straight house paint. This actually, I have added a little bit of DecoArt enamel in there because I am using a semi-gloss paint, but it doesn't really matter, but it is there. It's a little bit on the thin side, but we're gonna use it. Okay, make a little more room. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my pillow. Try to keep it fairly small and contained, starting off. I have an idea of what I want, so we'll see if it comes to fruition. Okay. I am working on a wooden panel today, and I hate when it does this. I'm just gonna go right around to keep it from going over the sides and not going into my corners. Okay. We're going to concentrate right in the middle. I'm actually going to lay down my PBO Black Blue. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down these paints, and we're going to speed this up because it will take a little bit of time. But I know how I'm going to swipe this, so I have a certain way I'm going to lay my colors. So let's see how this goes. Okay, I've decided to add just a tiny bit in one area of the cinnamon. I believe this is from the Harvest collection, so this is another Color Art color. And I am just going to add just a little bit of color there. All of the colors will be in the description box below, so if you click on the title, you can pull up the description, how I mix my paints, and the colors. Okay, my color activator today is just going to be Amsterdam Black Oxide and American Floetrol. Pretty basic. So I'm actually going to be using a cake spatula for this. It's a smaller cake spatula, but it is for icing. But I'm going to coat the back of it with the cell activator. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around. Probably going to need to re-swipe that right there, and I will do that. Going to add just a little bit more paint there. And I'm going to use my smaller palette knife. Okay. Okay, there we go. Just going to torch that. You can really see some cells developing in here now. Oh, this is kind of fun. I am going to extend this just a little bit, just because I can. Because I like to see things, and I see some things in this and I want to work for this. This is an odd color combination here, but let's go for it. Okay, dookie. Okay, cool. So this is what I'm beginning from. I'd already done this, which gave me an idea, actually. This is looking very snake-like to me, actually. So I'm going for it. Okay, I need to give him some snake eyes, some dragon eyes. Come on, Mr. Dragon. You know what? I need to give him some more whiskers. There we go. Okay, I think I'm going to stop. Sometimes things just kind of show themselves, and this one is kind of a serpent, and that's just how it is today. You never know what you're going to see when you get the paint on the canvas, and he's what I got today, so check him out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos, and also please share and comment whatever you have to say. Thanks for watching. Bye now.